driving in the car and the traffic slows you down. There's just one thing going on, someone's building in your town. Look at that crane, I see a dump truck. Construction site, construction site. Bulldozer, excavator. Construction site, construction site. When you're walking to the park and the sidewalk up ahead is blocked off for the day, you gotta cross the street instead because look at that crane, I see a dump truck. Construction site, construction site. Bulldozer, excavator. Construction site, construction site. Teamwork is what gets the job done. Hard hats for safety, everybody gets one. Tool belt for all the things that you might need. Bag lunch for when you gotta eat. Almond butter and jelly on whole wheat bread. Look at that crane, I see a dump truck. Construction site, construction site. A bulldozer, excavator. Construction site, construction site.